Whoa, now it's him, YouTube. This your boy Duley Moore. Y'all already know who I am. I really don't have to introduce myself, but I like doing it anyway, you heard me. Today I got a new video for y'all. And today's a little different. It's a vlog, but it's an unboxing of the Vivo 11. I just copped it like 25 minutes ago, because I live right up the way from Best Buy. And I got it on sale for $169 unlocked. So here we go, you heard me? I hate these videos, my bad, you heard me? Well, before I even start, let's get into some of these little specs right here. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see. 5.9 inch screen, MediaTek Helio P22, 2.0 gigahertz octa-core, 32 gig internal storage, so I'll probably get about between 25 and 27 gigs user. There's 3 gigs RAM, dual 16 megapixel plus a 5 megapixel camera, that's the dual camera, and a 16 megapixel selfie camera front facing. 3000 milliamp battery, so I should probably get almost all day. It has advanced security fingerprint sensor, micro SD slot up to 128 gigs plus 4G, and it's running Android 8.1, the audio cookie. Yeah. So, because I don't know how much time I have on the phone. Yep. I don't have a blade. So this is what I gotta do. You feel me? Alright. I'm sorry about that light in the back. I know it's glaring. But now y'all can see a little bit, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna hold it up there for a second so y'all can pause this video and check it out. Alright, here's the front of the box. And I'm about to bust it down. So this was all comes in it. You have your phone. Dope. Charge brick. Nice to have. Regular micro USB. I thought it would have been Type C, but it's not Type C. I believe it's the XI Plus. Well, as they say, the 11 Plus that has Type C, which is kind of sucky because I was hoping to get Type C. SIM tool removal. Pretty dope. It comes with some headphones. Oh yeah. Dope. The regular booklets comes with a nice sticker. Dope. It has a clear case. Nice. If I want to rock the clear. And then also it comes with a gangster little cover that's just like the box. Y'all see that? Oh man, that's dope. Just like the box. Pretty much that's what I'm gonna go for. And it comes with a glass protector or plastic glass, well, whatever, but that's pretty dope. I like that. That's all that pretty much comes in the box. You feel me? The phone, it's pretty durable. It's pretty heavy. I like that. It's the silver edition. Got it from Best Buy, and Best Buy got it on sale. So if y'all want to get it, you want someone to phone for Christmas, this will be a nice deal. You know what I'm saying? For $169 unlocked. So that means you can go to any GSM carrier like Simple Mobile, T-Mobile, AT&T, Metro by T-Mobile, Cricket, Total Wireless, Walmart Family Plan, whatever plan you choose, you know what I'm saying? You can go with it, but you can't put nothing like Verizon, Sprint, Boost, Virgin Mobile. You can't put those on there because those are CDMA tower networks. So, which I like the CDMA towers because, like I say, you can go through tunnels and stuff and you won't lose signal. But with GSM, you're gonna lose everything: signal, call, all that. And like I said, I wasn't gonna hold y'all up too much. I just want to give y'all a quick view of the phone. Well, I know you better can see it, but I'm gonna let y'all see it boot up. See, so that way y'all can see it for yourself. Oh, see, it got the notch like the iPhone. Oh man, that's dope. Because most people don't even show y'all this part, you know. So I want to show y'all this part. And it's the start screen, which sucks. So I gotta skip past all this. And I have no Wi-Fi. So for now, I can't even do anything until I switch service. But, you know, I'm gonna skip this. Continue. I'll come back to all the setting up later. I'll set all this up later. Duley, Blu Vivo Xi. I'm sorry, guys. I know, but I add fingerprint and pattern, fingerprint and paddle, fingerprint and pen. May require a pen. Yeah, I'm doing a little quick setup so that way y'all can see the home screen. Right now I'm setting up the fingerprint. There we go. I ain't worried about adding another one, I'll add that later. Okay, I agree. Sign me up. Okay. This is the home screen, which I think is dope. I like the notch at the top, you feel me? And so far so good. It has pre-installed apps like your regular Google's, Opera browser, YouTube, Google Music, you know, Amazon, which is always good because I shop Amazon a lot. But other than that, yeah, it's a great phone. You know, like I said, I don't want to keep y'all too long. But that was the unboxing of the Blu Vivo 11. I will be getting the 11 Plus, but I'm going to have to wait till I get more money. But other than that, you know, I'm out. Like I tell you, I'll take the good with the bad, the bitter with the sweet, ups with the downs, haul ass on all feet, mash on concrete. Every day remain the same. Stay humble and gang, you hear me? And I'm out. Thank y'all for watching my video. Duley.